This is an action camera similar to a GoPro. It is the GoCam by Digitek. Now this won't replace my main camera, which is the Sony ZV-E10, but it can be used as a secondary camera for a lot of unique purposes. It comes in this neat carry case with a bunch of accessories, such as this waterproof case which can go up to 30 meters underwater, a helmet mount, tripod screw, additional battery, straps, bike handlebar mount, adhesive tabs, a USB-C and HDMI cable, and a user manual. Insert a class 10 microSD card and turn on the camera by long pressing the M button. You can start recording by pressing the OK button and press again to stop recording. Press M to shift to photo mode or enter the settings, and use the up and down buttons on the right side to toggle between the settings. It has stabilization mode which will make the footage less bumpy but will also crop it. A loop video feature which will record clips in loops continuously until it's stopped. You can also adjust the field of view in case you don't want the fisheye effect on a large field of view. Also other features such as time-lapse, noise reduction, low light. So now let's test the footage. I mounted it on my helmet and took it for a ride, and here are the results. Starting with 5K 30fps, which is the highest resolution, then to 4K 60fps, down to 1080p 120fps. This is how the footage looks with the stabilization off and when the stabilization is turned on. The footage quality is decent for an action camera, and sometimes there is a distortion or a fisheye effect. Now coming to the use cases, I bought this camera primarily to mount on my drone to record the FPV footage in HD or in 4K. This can also be used as a POV head cam, take time lapses on my 3D printer, can be used as a car dash cam, and a security camera. Overall, this is a decent addition to my gear as it is a lightweight tiny camera and can be set into places my main camera won't. And is also 1/10 of the cost, so I won't mind breaking a few of these. That's all for today guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching.